Bees are fascinating creatures. They have unique bodies perfectly designed for their buzzing lifestyle. Like all insects, bees have three main body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. The head houses their senses. They have two large compound eyes that can see ultraviolet light. Bees also have three simple eyes on the top of their heads to detect light and darkness. Two antennae act as their noses, detecting smells and helping them navigate. And of course, their mouths are adapted for collecting nectar and pollen with a specialized tongue called a proboscis. Attached to the thorax are the bee's 6 legs and 4 wings. The wings work in pairs, flapping over 200 times per second to achieve flight. The legs are multi-purpose tools. They're used for walking, but also for digging, grooming, and carrying pollen back to the hive. Bees have specialized structures on their legs called pollen baskets to transport this precious cargo. Finally, the abdomen contains the bee's digestive system, and in females, the stinger. The stinger is a modified egg-laying organ used for defense. A bee's anatomy is a marvel of nature, showcasing how form perfectly adapts to function in the animal kingdom. The world is abuzz with a remarkable diversity of bees. Over 20,000 species exist, each adapted to specific habitats and ecological niches. From the honeybees we know well to the tiny iridescent sweat bees, the variety is astounding. Bees thrive on every continent except Antarctica. They are found in a wide range of habitats, from lush forests and meadows to arid deserts and even urban gardens. Different species have evolved specialized preferences for the types of flowers they visit, contributing to plant diversity. Some bees, like honeybees, are social insects, living in large colonies with a queen, workers and drones. Others, like mason bees and leafcutter bees, are solitary, with females building and provisioning their own nests. This diversity in social structure and habitat preference highlights the remarkable adaptability of bees. Their global distribution and ecological roles make bees essential players in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Understanding their diversity and distribution is crucial for conservation efforts and ensuring the well-being of our planet. Bees play a crucial role in the natural world as pollination powerhouses. Pollination is the process of transferring pollen from the male part of a flower to the female part, enabling fertilization and the production of seeds and fruits. As bees collect nectar and pollen, they inadvertently transfer these tiny grains, facilitating plant reproduction. This process is essential not only for the survival of plants, but also for the countless animals, including humans, that rely on them for food and habitat. Without bees, our diets would be severely limited, lacking many fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even coffee and chocolate. Bees are highly efficient pollinators. Their fuzzy bodies are perfectly designed to pick up pollen grains, and their frequent visits to flowers ensure effective pollen transfer. While other insects and even wind contribute to pollination, bees are responsible for pollinating a significant portion of the world's flowering plants, making them indispensable for maintaining biodiversity and healthy ecosystems. The importance of bees in pollination cannot be overstated. They are key players in the intricate web of life, ensuring the continuation of plant life and the food chain that depends on it. The life cycle of a bee is a fascinating journey of transformation and social cooperation. While the specifics vary between species, the general stages remain consistent. It begins with an egg laid by a queen bee. This egg hatches into a larva which resembles a small white grub. Worker bees diligently feed the larvae a diet of pollen and honey, promoting their growth and development. After several molts, the larva spins a cocoon around itself, entering the pupal stage. Inside the cocoon, a remarkable metamorphosis occurs, transforming the larva into an adult bee. The lifespan and social structure of bees vary greatly between species. Social bees like honeybees have a complex hierarchy, with a queen responsible for laying eggs, workers performing various tasks within the hive, and drones whose sole purpose is to mate with the queen. Honeybee workers live for several weeks, while the queen can live for several years. In contrast, solitary bees, like mason bees, have a simpler social structure. Females build and provision their own nests, laying eggs and providing food for their offspring without the assistance of a colony. Solitary bees typically have shorter lifespans, with adults living for only a few weeks. Despite these differences, all bees undergo a remarkable transformation from egg to adult, contributing to the ecological balance of our planet. Bees and wasps are often mistaken for one another, but these two groups of insects have distinct characteristics and ecological roles. While both belong to the order Hymenoptera, their appearances, behaviors, and particularly their feeding habits set them apart. Bees are generally plump and hairy, while wasps tend to be slender and smooth-bodied. This difference in appearance reflects their primary food sources. Bees are vegetarians relying solely on nectar and pollen from flowers for their nutrition. Wasps, on the other hand, are omnivores. While they may feed on nectar, they also hunt other insects and scavenge for food. This difference is particularly evident in their larval diets. Bees provision their nests with pollen and honey for their developing young. Wasps, however, lay their eggs on or near paralyzed prey, providing their larvae with a gruesome but protein-rich meal. Their contrasting feeding habits highlight their distinct ecological roles. Bees, as we've explored, are essential pollinators, while wasps act as natural pest control, keeping insect populations in check. Both are important members of the ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance of nature. Honey, the golden liquid produced by bees, is not only a delicious treat, but also a testament to the industrious nature of these insects. For centuries, honey has been valued for its sweetness, versatility, and numerous health benefits. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers, storing it in their honey sacs. Back at the hive, they regurgitate the nectar to other worker bees, who repeatedly process it, breaking down complex sugars and reducing its water content. The resulting honey is stored in the honeycomb, where it serves as a vital food source for the colony. Beyond its culinary uses, honey boasts an impressive resume of medicinal and nutritional benefits. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties make it an effective wound healer and sore throat soother. Honey is also rich in antioxidants and prebiotics, promoting digestive health. From its role as a natural sweetener to its potential therapeutic applications, honey is a testament to the remarkable abilities of bees. This liquid gold, a product of nature's industrious insects, continues to captivate and benefit humans in countless ways.